everyone, welcome back to the Omagimar YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be recreating a look I saw on Instagram. I'm going to put the photo right here. I have been very creative over the past, like I have all these ideas just in my head of shit I want to do, of things I want to do. I think this time of my life is like the most emotional and the most creative. I'm channeling all my emotions and putting it into my work, and I swear I love it. Anyway, I was on Instagram the other day looking through and I saw this beautiful photo of this beautiful eye look, and I was like, I need to do that. That needs to be on my face. Now the photo just shows a photo of the eyes, so I don't know what the rest of the face looks like, so I just decided to like go with whatever I felt like worked with the eyes, and I think I did a pretty good job. If you tell me I am glowing like. Before we begin today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to the Omagimar YouTube channel. It'll make me so happy. It'll make me so happy and so filled with joy if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always get a notification. I have stopped giving notification squad shoutouts because people stopped telling me they were part of the notification squad. So if you are part of the notification squad, do let me know in the comment section below and I will give you your shoutouts. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. Begin. First, I'm going to be putting down a base of concealer and I'm going to blend that all over my eyes. Now, fair warning, the lighting in the beginning of this video is not the best. It was raining and it was cloudy and I don't have artificial light, so yeah, lighting is bad. The first shade I'm going to take is from this Elsa Pro palette on my Evita Joseph sponge, as a sponge brush. This is going to be my transition shade. It's very, very light pink. Then I'm going to take this pink from the Makeup Revolution Iconic Vitality Reloaded palette, and that is going to be going into my transition area but also my crease at the same time. I couldn't see very well during this time, that is why I'm really far back. I went back with the first brush I used to blend out the pink that I used, the second pink I used. Then I'm taking the dark purple from the Evita Joseph palette and I'm putting that directly into my crease. After applying that, I'm going to blend it out with the second pink we used, and then I'm going to blend that with the first pink. Looks like this require a lot of blending, so just be patient. Then I'm going to take my bullet crease brush and then take this black shade and apply it directly into the crease, like right there, and then I'm going to blend it out. This is going to emphasize the cut creasiness. Like when I cut the crease, you guys are going to see how emphasized it's going to look. Then I'm going to cut the crease using some concealer. I mean, it's just simple. This is a half cut crease, not a full cut crease, but just a half cut crease, half of the eye. The shade I'm going to be using, the shades I'm going to be using are two shades from the Queen Supreme palette. It's going to be this one and the gold one. I will list the names in the description box below. I do not have the palette with me right now, so I don't even remember the names. But I think one is called Long Live Luster, I think, yeah. Anyway, I'm taking that dark purple shade and using it to blend the edge of the cut crease. And then I'm going to be taking my Colossal Jowl eyeliner from Maybelline and I'm going to be doing a rough line, nothing too serious, just like a nice line, just it. Then I'm going to put on my lashes, but before I put on my lashes, I'm going to wear some mascara. And the mascara I'm going to be using is the Smoky Eyes mascara from Maybelline. The name is long, I can't remember. Anyway, let me go do the rest of my eye, the other eye, and apply my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Now it's time for my face. The first thing I'm going to be using is the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Primer. This is a really nice glowy primer which is really just blurs my skin and makes me look like really nice and flawless. I'm going to be setting that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder because this is the best powder I've ever used in my entire life. I'm sorry. You can argue with somebody else, but this is my best. This is the best powder I've ever used. Today's foundation is going to be the Lancome Tint Idole. I decided to use this because this is an eye look that deserves skin, that deserves good skin, so I decided to use my favorite foundation, or my best foundation, like my event foundation for this look, which is the Lancome. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Fit Me and I'm going to be applying it to my chin, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then I'm going to apply it above my lip as well. And be blending it out with my brush. I have found that blending out my concealer with the brush I use to apply my foundation just makes everything look really nice. Then I'm going to cream contour today. I'm going to be taking the Black Opal True Color cream foundation in the darkest shade, and then I'm going to be contouring with the Vita Joseph flat foundation brush, the paint brush, yes, that's what it's called. Applying that under my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, and I'm going to be blending that out with the brush I use to apply my foundation. Then take a little bit of what's left on that face paint brush and use it to contour my nose. Then I'm going to set my concealer areas with the Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. You guys know why I like to use this powder, because I have dry under eyes and this allows me to control how matte my under eyes are. Anyway, I'm putting this powder, applying it to where it needs to be. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. contour kit, this is the dark version, and I'm using the contour shade, the darkest shade in that kit, to set all my contour areas, to set my cream contour. This just emphasizes and makes your contour look like real good. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution powder and I'm using that loose powder to kind of cut my contour to emphasize the contour. For blush, I know I hardly use blush, but I decided to just pick up the blush from the Guerlain Terracotta 4 Seasons palette and apply it to my face. I felt like this look needed blush. I do not know why. I just felt it needed blush. Then for highlights, first I'm going to take this one from the e.l.f. Contour Highlights and Contour palette. Then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Pink Diamonds highlights, because I feel like this is a pink look. I feel like it needs pink highlights. Haven't used this in a while, so I decided to apply this over top where I first applied the other highlights. And then I also popped it into my inner corner to be my inner corner highlight, just to tie the whole look together. Then I am blending under my contour, blending away that demarcation line. We don't want it to be too harsh, with my large powder brush. Then I'm taking the black eyeshadow. This is just to finish my eyes. I'm applying that first under my eyes. That's going to be the closest shade to my eye. And then I'm going to take the dark purple and I'm going to stamp it right on top of that black. Then I'm going to blend both shades out with that pink shade. So this kind of like brings the bottom and ties it to the top. Then I'm going to finish off the eye with the Maybelline Smoky Eyes mascara. Then I'm going to take my Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and this is to blend my face and also to set the areas where I didn't apply any powder, so my neck and the sides of my mouth. For lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick pen. I really like this lipstick pen because of the color. I really like it. Using this lipstick pen on the lips. Then I'm going to be using the YSL Rouge Pour Couture lipstick, and it just creates this really nice pink but not too pink look. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay setting spray. Gotta shake it up, and then I'm going to spray it all over my face and just allow it to take away the powder, and allow it to really sit and set into my skin. And that is it for today's look. I hope you guys really enjoyed me putting this look together. Like, I'm just looking at myself in the viewfinder and I look amazing. I look like I am ready to take over the world. Like the lips with the eyes and the contour and everything. I'm looking snatched and I love it. Do let me know what you think of this look by leaving me a comment below. I will link to some of the products that I use in my shop style shop and in the description box below. So if you're interested in buying anything that I use and helping out me, because I need some help, I need money, you can click on the links, the shopping link. Also, I have a couple of affiliate links. I don't talk about them much. So if you're looking to shop for beauty, fashion, skincare, and I did just sign an affiliate with another skincare brand, it's all in the description box below. Anything you're looking for is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much once again for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. These thumbs, give them to me because it helps my channel. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Boy, you looking big, man.
When you see a young brother up in first class,
hey,
then you damn right my ego like
the ball.
They hate to see a black man who can't get black ball. Yeah, I said my paper long.
My paper long. You damn right, little bitch. My paper long. I just got a new whip. Shawty got a new whip. I got a new drip. I'm a nappy-headed black little cool kid. Yeah, I wait that.
Make that, break that.
Take that.
Got 100 ways I can flip that.
Is that?
All up in the money just to get back. Bitch, back up. No, you probably need a tic-tac. It's that.
Bitch, you front on me. Why you wanna act like this? Say I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone.
Get out my zone, bitch.
I don't wanna feel like I need you. You're a catch, but I'm not a receiver. I know it's what this might turn into, but my skin glows whenever I see you. That's why I'm shining, 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 shining. That's why I'm shining. I fuck up like every day. I fuck up like every way. I fuck up like when I pull up on Sunday at Chick-fil-A. Ain't my dark twisted fantasy, beautiful insanity. Greatness, I say ooh la la, ooh la la. I can make you famous, famous. I can make you forever. It's just a shame because there's something about you. Something about you, and maybe I really do should tell you, and maybe I really do should tell you, but you're so complicated.